And I'll talk briefly, first of all, about our MScs in financial maths, data science, which is an online program, data and computational science, and our MSc in statistical data science. So first of all, the financial maths MSc. It's been designed with input from the financial sector in Ireland, and counterparty credit risk is an area of focus for the Irish and European financial sector. And if you do this MSc, you'll specialise in risk management during this degree. Who is this for? It's for people who have an undergraduate in financial maths, but also in mathematics, applied computational mathematics, or statistics, or really any other quantitative discipline like physics, engineering, computer science, economics, or finance, provided those latter degrees include a substantial component in maths or stats. Two of our academics have worked in this sector, so it's closely industry aligned, and there's an option to do a 30 credit internship and research project with one of our industry partners during the summer months. And the career opportunities cover all high-level roles in the financial sector. As an example, a financial analyst in model development and validation, for example. And we've recently changed the entry requirements to that financial maths MSc, as I mentioned. The next one I'll talk about is quite different. That's our MSc in data science. This is a brand new program. It's a 2-year online program, part-time. So it's really designed for people who are actually working full-time, and then they're going to study this remotely in the evenings and at weekends. So you need to have a 2-1 degree in a quantitative discipline, maths, stats, engineering, economics, finance, etc. Anything with a significant numerical content. And this is all about the science of learning from data. So it's aimed at anyone who's interested in developing robust data analytics skills. As I mentioned, it's part-time, it's fully online. There are some face-to-face exams, and those come at the end of the second trimester. So you do 2 5-credit modules in the autumn, part-time, online, entirely online, assessed online. And then you do 2 5-credit modules in the spring, and those you are examined in person, and then you return to online examination after that. And the rest of that MSc is made up of 5-credit modules plus 35 credits of 3 projects that's done over 2 years. And those projects lead one into the other, and that allows you to build up a portfolio to showcase your data science skills that you'll develop over the course of this program. Then we have our MSc in data and computational science, and that's a fusion of data analytics and mathematical modeling and computation. So it has input from statistical data science, but also from applied computational mathematics. And that's a 1-year full-time master's. And there's an option to do a research thesis during the final trimester. But that's an option, and you can do that, or you can take an equivalent amount of credit in terms of taking more taught modules. So this is for students who have a good grounding in maths and stats from their undergraduate degree. For example, we take a lot of students from engineering, maths, applied maths, but also from physics and statistics. So it looks at how mathematical modeling and data analysis come together. And then slightly different from that is our MSc in statistical data science. That is available also as a full-time 1-year degree, but you can also do it part-time over 2 years. But that is face-to-face, unlike our online program. The key difference between that and the data and computational science is it's a focus more on data analytics and data science, and there are less modules available in applied computational mathematics. In statistical data science, you have more options modules and fewer core modules. So for the statistical data science, there's 3 core modules that you have to take, each for 5 credits, versus 9 core modules in the data and computational science. But the MSc in statistical data science, that does require you to do a 25 credit project versus having the option whether to do that project or not in the data and computational science program.